and they have no way of knowing if going to Mars is safe because all the transmissions have stopped. Phil says they can get information transmitted from one of the Saturn probes flying close to Mars and plan their mission accordingly, and the captain agrees. Woody tells the captain that the mission will only work if Jim flies the ship because he has spent the most time training to go to Mars, and him and Maggie were the ones who designed all the Mars mission plans. Captain is reluctant at first, but eventually agrees. Several months later, the crew of Jim, Woody, Terry, and Phil is nearing Mars. Phil is making DNA out of candies, and Jim arrives and eats his candy. Woody tells Jim that the Saturn probe will be flying close to Mars in a few hours, giving them the information they need to land. The Saturn probe shows images of 3 graves near the base camp of the previous team. Phil thinks this means that Luke is alive, but Terry says it just means there was no one left to bury him. They look at the site where the energy pulse came from, and it is still emitting the same